First, I will discuss with you all. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Welcome to you all in your maths class. First, I will discuss those who have sent me their work. I'll call their names. I will call the names those who have not sent me. Kashvi. Is Kashvi is there in the class? Kashvi. Kashvi, you are there now. Kashvi, please listen. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Yeah, Kashvi, I have not received your yesterday's work in the classroom.
Ma'am, because I was outside.
So you please take a note. Same day you need to send your work, whether you are outside, whether you're going for anything. But I need the work on the same day.
Okay.
Next child is Manya. Oh, Manya, I received yours. I received. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Nishwa. Nishwa Desai. Nishwa
I send
Desai.
you. I send
No,
you now.
you have sent now, but no attachment is there. I have checked.
Just 1 minute.
There's no attachment. So send again. Next is Rajveer Lahoti is present today because he was absent yesterday. We will check it out. And Kevian. Kevian. Kev. What's your name pronunciation? Can you please do it again?
K1.
Kevian. So if I tell you Kevian, it will be fine. Okay. But your work I have not received. Kevan, I have not received your work. You have done, I know you have done in the class, but you have not done the attachments. Because I need to check whether you are writing correctly or not. Okay. Next is Bhavya Sagar. Bhavya Sagar,
Yes, ma'am.
I have not received your work. David Savalia, I have not received your work. Please take a note. You have to send me your today's work. Please mute yourself now. Open your index page. Write number 2 in the serial or number. In title, again write the same title, recap of number system. And in the date, write today's date. Write today's date fast. After finishing this, come on the new page. Open new page, not the same page, new page. Write date. Children, I have noticed many of you are writing the date. वही पेन बना हुआ है उसमें date लिखते हैं. That will make your notebook untidy. Don't write date in that. There is a red line. There is a one box towards your left corner. Write date in the left corner. My board is sorry. My board is show me
Yes.
thumbs up. Okay. So there is a box towards your left hand corner. Write date in that always. I don't need to repeat the same topic again and again. So if I'm explaining you on day, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
I can't see you.
You do one thing within a single minute of time it will come. ये network problem की वजह से ऐसा होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
You pin me तो दिखूंगी मैं.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am, I
write
have pinned.
Now it is visible.
No.
Log out and log in again faster.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I visible to other children?
Ma'am, index we have to write with pen.
You are visible.
Everything with the pen. Only when I tell you to write in the textbook, then you use the pencil. Don't ask the same question again and again. Now you are in grade 4, you are grown up students. Write date and towards your right hand corner, write C.W. And this is the red line. Below the red line, write today's topic, recap of number system. If my handwriting is not clear to you, tell me that time only. And don't write wrong spellings. RECAP of NUMBER, number, SYSTEM, system. Till that you write, I'll take your attendance. Children, I have a software in this, so I will take your attendance through that. Don't think when ma'am is not calling my name. Taken. Attendance is taken. Okay, done. The topic is also mentioned. Come on the next. I am going to erase this now, full page. Because I need space. Write question number 1. Write in expanded form. Write in EXPANDED. Expanded FORM. Expanded form. Write in expanded form. Suppose this number is there 6827. And if you need to write the expanded form of this number, expanded form means इसको बड़ा करके लिखना, not spelling में लिखना. Sometimes you children get confused कि expanded form है means spellings में लिखना है 6827 spellings में.
Ma'am,
no.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, Kashvi. Let me explain. So whenever you are solving, अगर आपको किसी में नंबर नेम में लिखना है, सेम टॉप मेथड हम जो शुरू से पढ़ रहे हैं, आप इनकी प्लेसेस डिसाइड कर लो सबसे पहले. When if you are clear with their places, ones, tens, T for tens, H for 100 and TH for 1000. जब आपने प्लेसेस डिसाइड कर ली, फिर चाहे आप इसको नंबर नेम में लिखो, चाहे इसका एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म करो, whatever you will do, you will easily do. मैंने yesterday also I explain you, सबसे पहले आपको नंबर की प्लेस डिसाइड कर लेनी है. Clear? Now after, yes.
And we have to write the number values at 1000.
Yes. Once you have done the places, now you will expand this number. How to expand this number? 6 is with 1000. So 6000 अगर हम figures में लिखते हैं तो कैसे लिखते हैं? 6000 plus Anna, please turn on your mic and talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Danya, wait. Let me talk with Anna. Anna, where are you? Yes, you have joined late. I have noted you have joined late. So I have explained many of the things to them. How to prepare the index, how to write the
And because
topic.
the charge was gone.
What was gone?
Charge of mobile.
So my dear, you need to keep a note of this. Charge it before the time when you enter in the class. In maths class, आपका एक भी miss हो गया तो आप पूरा पीछे चले जाओगे. And then yesterday also I got your comment that I was not able to see your board. Yesterday also I called you many times and I asked that you said I don't have a notebook. You were not paying attention in my class. That will not be catered, my dear. So please pay attention in the full day and attend on time. Clear? And stay after the class 5 minutes. I will show you the pending sums which you have not completed yesterday.
Okay, ma'am.
6000. Now next is 800. So 800 we write in figures like this, 800. Next, again, plus sign. I don't have a space here, so I am writing plus sign here. If you have a space in a one line, please continue write the plus sign. But if you don't have space here, so write plus sign and don't skip the plus sign. Right? अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ भी आ रही हूँ तो your plus sign should be, it should like this, 6,000 plus 800 plus 220 means it's 2 tens, so it will be 20 plus 7. ये तरीका होगा एक लाइन में अगर आप लिख रहे हैं तो. बट अगर एक लाइन में मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है तो I will write plus sign here and then I continue 20, then I continue 7. स्किप नहीं करना है प्लस साइन अगर आप एक लाइन से दूसरी लाइन में जा भी रहे हो तो. So better try to write in a one line only. Clear this is? And you will get आपको expanded form इस तरीके से भी मिलेगा. So don't get confused. 6 और 1000 की spelling होगी 6,000 plus 800 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. ये भी एक expanded form ही है. इसमें आधी नंबर और स्पेलिंग देन नंबर एंड स्पेलिंग है उसकी प्लेस का स्पेलिंग है. तो दिस इज आल्सो एन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, दिस इज आल्सो एन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, बट प्लीज नोट इसमें प्लस का साइन आ रहा है. डोंट मिक्स इट एज 6,000 800 EIGHT 800. ये एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म नहीं है. दिस इज द नंबर नेम. या कहीं प्लस का साइन है? No, this is the number name. Don't get it confused. Plus का sign होगा, that is the expanded form of the number. Both the ways are correct. If you want to write both the ways, you write both the ways. If you write one, you write one. But in books or when it comes in the exams, it can come in both the ways. You need to understand कि ये expanded form है. Am I clear till here with everyone?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come next question is write in short form.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2. Write in short form. Now here यहाँ पर अब expanded में given होगा आपको short में लिखना है. Right? For example, if I give you, my board is clearly visible till the end. I will ask. मैं बार बार बीच बीच में पूछती रहूंगी. So you need to please pay attention. Wait a minute. I'll take your once more time attendance because many of you have joined later. Okay, write the short form of this number. If I write 7,000 plus 90 plus 8. Now, how you will write it into the short form? You know that the highest place is 7,000. So you please decide the places ones, tens, 100,000. अब आपको 7,000 का सिर्फ 7 लेना है, zeros को नहीं लेना.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, this is an example, or we have to write it.
Right.
Ma'am, the answer.
Ma'am, you have to write 1,000, then it doesn't become.
One child is explaining. Danya is already explaining. Yes, Danya. Danya, yes, please continue.
The answer will be 7098.
Very good. Nothing is here on the 100 place, so it will be 098. Clear? Short form is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday we have learned successor and predecessor also.
Yes,
Can we
ma'am.
discuss one or two questions on successor and predecessor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Don't write. Just we will discuss. I will ask from you all. Okay. Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome you, Vedant. Happy to see you.
I am. Yes.
Okay, Vedant, you were there yesterday in my class?
Yes, ma'am. I was there. You told me this is a decisive.
Yes. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the successor of 800?
800. It will be 799.
Successor means you will do plus 1. So it will be 800.
801.
801. Yes, 801. So, Kavian, what is the predecessor of 800? Predecessor means before number आपको लिखना है. तो before number
790. 799.
Yes, before number में आप -1 करते हैं. विश्रुत आपको क्लियर है सक्सेसर प्रीडिसीजर? एनी कंफ्यूजन? अनय आपको क्लियर है सक्सेसर एंड प्रीडिसीजर?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya Sagar, are you clear with successor and predecessor? Is there any child who is having difficulty with successor and predecessor? I will explain again.
No, ma'am.
Any child? Please tell your name, then I will explain again to that child, please. Any child having a difficulty with successor and predecessor? Always remember, successor means you will do +1. It's a after number. Predecessor is -1 before number. Clear? Okay. Now we will do the comparison of the numbers. Yesterday we have done the comparison of the numbers. Which is greater, which is lesser?
Yes.
We will do
Yes.
one question today also we will do. Question number 3. Compare this sign, or this sign. Are you all familiar with these 3 signs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जब ये वाला कॉर्नर बंद होता है तो which sign is this?
The less.
Lesser.
Lesser than. Yes, this is lesser than. जब ये वाला कॉर्नर बंद होता है this is
Greater.
greater than.
More.
We call it greater, not more.
Yes, ma'am.
Greater than, this is equal to. Right? If I give you some numbers, 6, 7, 5, 4, and another side is 7, 6, 7, 1. Both the sides are clearly visible to you. Both the numbers are clearly visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please now tell me which sign we will
Ma'am,
put
but
here.
it is not visible to me. It's clearly blue.
Okay. Now check, Danya.
Ma'am, 7,
Ma'am,
7, 1
okay,
is
ma'am.
the
Now
greater
it's good.
number and 6, 5, 4 is the lesser.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So crocodile will eat the greater thing. We open the mouth this side. अगर अब हमें इसे read करना है. Yes, which child is saying excuse me? Vedant, mute your mic. Which child is saying excuse me?
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the second number?
7671.
Ma'am, Danya.
Yes, Danya, 7671.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, we know that this is greater. Crocodile will only open his mouth to the greater sign, greater values, right? Now, if we want to read this number, how we will read this number? 6754 is less than, because it is close this side. Mute your mic, Vedant. Yes, any problem? Yeah, tell
I
me.
have a question.
Yeah.
We have to write the question, please answer
Yes, yes.
or not. Or... Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, you need to write.
what is written at question 3? I don't know, Karshu.
Compare, COMPARE, compare. और साइन के नीचे मैंने लिखा लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन. this is equal to. Can I move ahead now? How I will read this? 6,754 is less than 7,671. क्योंकि इस तरफ मेरा जो कॉर्नर है वो बंद आया है. So now this sign is the lesser than sign. So when we read from the beginning, we say that 6,754 is less than the 7,671. Clear? Now, अब मैं दूसरा देती हूँ 7890 and 789. Now tell me which sign we will put, which is greater? 7,000. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 number.
Ma'am,
This is
7,809.
It's greater.
This is
Greater
great.
than 700.
So we put this sign. अब ये वाला साइन आपके राइट साइड पे आया है, बंद वाला साइन. So we read it as 7,890 is greater than 789. ठीक है, इस साइन को हम ग्रेटर देन का साइन पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि इसका जो बंद कॉर्नर है वो राइट साइड में आ रहा है. इस साइन को हम लेस देन साइन पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि इसका जो बंद कॉर्नर है वो आपके लेफ्ट साइड में आ रहा है. समझ में आ गया? क्लियर? Now write the next question, ascending order and the descending order. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Be little faster when you are in class. Be little.
Yes,
Keep your handwriting and write fast. Write question number 4. Arrange. Wait, I will write the question number 4 here. Anna, board is clearly visible to you today?
Ma'am, yes.
Thank you. Question number 4 is arrange the numbers. I don't have a space here. Numbers. Numbers. Kashvi, mute yourself. Arrange the numbers in A, S, C, E, N, D, I, N, G, ascending. Ascending order, O-R-D-E-R. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order, who will tell me what do you mean by the word ascending?
Small to big.
Small to big. Okay. When there are small numbers, no, जब 8, 9, 7 में comparison करना होता है तो we can easily do. जब 1000 में values आ जाती है, we face little difficulty to compare them, which is the first comparison. अगर आपको आ गया, if you are clear कि कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है, तो आप उनको orders में भी easily arrange कर सकते हैं. For example, 7676 is the one group of number. So now I will put a comma like this. Put dot and then comma. And here also put a comma. You know, na, a place value system, after 3 values, the comma comes. And then after every 2 values. So 7565, put a, this is the comma of this spaces. And then this is the comma of group of, this is one group, this is another group. Next is, I don't have space. You please write it one single line only because I don't have space. I'm writing down. Next group is 7656. So put this comma, one third group, and the fourth group is 7765. These are the 4 group of numbers. Out of these group of numbers, arrange them in the ascending order. Now you will see that how to arrange in the ascending order. First of all, we have to see How many digits in all the groups? How many digits in all the groups?
And 4.
4. So we will not able to compare because all have same number of digits. Now we see each and every digit is having which value. First is 7. Here is also 7. We start from this side. We always other terms we start from the ones place, but when we compare or when we do ascending and descending, we start from the last place value towards your left side. Right? This is 7, this is 7, this is 7, this is 7. Will you able to compare which is greater? No. Though we will not able to compare from the 1000 place. Now go to the 100 place. Here is 6. Here is 5. Here is 6. Here is 7. So which group of numbers we will come? It will come first. By the 100 place से आपको पता लग गया कौन सा छोटा है?
Then second one.
This group.
The second is smaller.
Because आपको इसके 100 place से पता लग गया कि ये छोटा है. So we will write. So write answer A. 7, 5, 6, 5 will come first. Now next group of numbers. Already you know here is the 100 place 7 and in these two is the 6. So आप जो आप comparison करोगे इन दो में करोगे तो already बड़ा है which is because it is having 7.
Ma'am, 7, 6, 5, 6 is the next one.
Very good. 7, 6, 5, 6 is the next one. Now, next group. आप इसको cut कर दो. So it will be easy for you कि ये दो तो हो चुके. Now turn comes of the children. Don't cut with the pen. Cut with the pencil. So your notebook look neatly. Untidy नहीं दिखे. Pencil से cut कर दो अपनी reference के लिए.
Ma'am, I'm doing circle.
हाँ, circle कर दो, no problem. Now these two. Yes. No, Vedant, now other child will speak. Now the other child will speak. Niva. Yes, Vedant?
I have got it one number with pen.
No problem. No problem. Yes, Niva. Which will be the next now? Which group of numbers will come next?
7, 6, 7, 6.
7, 6, 7, 6. And the last, if this is also done, the last is this one only. So automatically this will come as the last. 7, 7, 6, 5. Clear with the ascending order? Do it fast. Then we will do one more sum on descending order.
Done, ma'am.
Please attach your today's work in the classwork. When I will put that attach your class assignment, then you will attach your work there. And I want everyone's work today itself only. No for tomorrow. Only today. But time limit I give you before 10 o'clock at night. Before 10 o'clock. Okay? I can understand you have other subjects also. You need to study. You need to take rest. You need to play. But in spite of that also, you need to do your maths work also. And please send me before 10 o'clock. Today means today, no for tomorrow. If you send tomorrow, I have made this register. I'm regularly marking your attendance in this register. I'm marking that who all are sending me the work. Everything I'm keeping a record. And you will be graded on the basis of this.
Ma'am, I can send on afternoon.
Yes, but before 10 o'clock at night, before that you can send me. कभी भी. रात को 10 बजे से पहले आपका काम कभी भी मुझे मिले, पर रात को 10 बजे से पहले. No, for next day नहीं होना चाहिए. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? And please regularly attend your class. Please stay till the last. Class छोड़नी नहीं है. क्लास में रेगुलरली अटेंड करना है, रेगुलरली आना है. मैथ्स क्लास में इफ यू मिस one single day also आप पीछे हो जाओगे. You will not come on your track कि मैम क्या कराया था मैम ने लास्ट क्लास में. Sorry, आप you will face the difficulty. Clear? Children, you know why we are revising this? अगर आपको number system आ गया, so ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स इसके बाद जो होंगे वो आपको इजीली क्लियर हो जाएंगे. And the next chapter which we will start, our chapter number 1, building with bricks, वो भी इसी के concept से ही. First you will learn about the shapes, different patterns, and then you will come on the number system also, right? तो धीरे धीरे concepts हम clear करेंगे. So here arrange the number, write the question number 5. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Write the spelling of descending. Who will tell me the spelling of descending? D. Who will tell me the spelling of descending? I don't know the spelling of descending.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
David.
can say
Yeah, please say. D.
D E C
No. D E S
S E
C E
N
N
D
D. I'm writing here. You don't write half नहीं लिखना. मेरे पास space नहीं है. Wait, I will write from here. Then you also don't get confused. D E S C E N D I N G. Please learn the spelling of these terms. Ascending, descending, successor, predecessor. कल मैं पूछूंगी. I'm going to ask these spellings from you all tomorrow. Expanded form, smallest number, short form, all these spellings first you need to clear these spellings. Maths also has their vocabulary. Am I clear? Mathematics में भी vocabulary होती है, same as English में आप vocabulary पढ़ते हो. The hard words which you learn, the hard words are there in the mathematics also. Numbers in descending order, ORDER. Okay, I will write the sum here. B 4 5 6 3 4 5. Sorry, wait, done here. Anybody has done? I will write this. 3 4 6 5 and put the comma according to the place value. Put the comma according to separate the groups. So this is the one group, this is the another group. Next group is next group is 4 3 4 5 and the last group is 3 3 2.
Ma'am, you have to write A, but you have to write.
Sorry. Kashvi is very attentive in my class. Thank you, Kashvi.
Welcome.
4 5. It is B only, no? No, A. Yeah. It was ascending. 4 5 6 3 3 4 6 5 4 3 4 5 3 3 2 4. These are the 4 groups. Now tell me ascending order में which ascending order is what? I don't know.
Small to big to small, big to small. Big to small. It is descending.
Bhavya, you know what is descending order?
Ma'am, big to small.
Bhavya,
Big to small.
big to small. Your mom is sitting near to you. Please tell her to talk to me.
My mom.
Yes, Bhavya's mom.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, is his concepts are clear because I am teaching them first time and I have noticed from yesterday that you are helping him. So, and he is speaking in Hindi also in many of the times. So, if I am speaking in English, is he clear?
ओके.
So, उसको समझ में आता है जब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ?
कुछ नहीं आता है.
अच्छा, कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ में डिफिकल्टी हो रही है.
डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है क्योंकि हमारी लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश नहीं है. हम सब यहाँ घर में हमारी लैंग्वेज गुजराती ही है.
मैम, मैं दोनों लैंग्वेज यूज करती हूँ. बीच में आपने नोटिस किया होगा.
यार, आप दोनों ही यूज करती है लेकिन कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं आता है तो मुझे बैठना पड़ता है.
हाँ, वो अच्छा है कि आप उसको हेल्पिंग के लिए बैठ रहे हैं.
और मैंने मैंने
हाँ।
इसे बोला है कि मैं एक वीक के लिए तुम्हारे साथ बैठूंगी, फिर नहीं बैठूंगी।
गुड गुड। पर ठीक है, इसको नहीं भी आता है तो ये मुझसे पूछे, बिकॉज ऑल आर न्यू फॉर मी। पर मैं कल से मुझे कुछ फेसेस ऐसे पहचान में आ गए हैं कि कौन कर रहा है कौन नहीं कर रहा है। दिस इज द
Okay.
सेकंड क्लास ओनली। सो कल भी मैंने इसको कुछ पॉइंटर्स पे नोटिस किया था, दैट्स वाई मैंने आज आपसे बात करी कि मैम कुछ भी डिफिकल्टी होती है, चाइल्ड को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाइए, वो खुद पूछे,
तो मैम वो
चाहे
ऐसा
किसी भी लैंग्वेज में पूछे, वो खुद पूछे।
वो है, होता क्या है मैम, इसे आता है ना तब कभी भी वो नहीं बोलता है, उसे खुद पे भी विश्वास नहीं कि मुझे आता है, इसलिए वो चुप रहता है। मैंने उसे कितनी बार कहा कि आता है तो बोलो।
So
Okay,
Bhavya,
thank you.
you asked me. Okay, ma'am. Continue. Children, complete this. We will discuss this answer tomorrow. Can we? Or we start discussing which is the now descending order is from big to small. So here the main yes tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell the answers?
David, yes, tell me what you are telling me.
One first answer is 4, 5, 3.
Yes, 4, 5, 6, 3 will come first because we are going to do a greater to smaller. So this is the first group will come. Then which group will come second?
Second one.
Next child will speak. Next child will speak. Another child, please. Next.
4, 3, 4, 5.
4, 3, 4, 5. Next.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes, please. Yes.
3, 4, 6, 5.
3, 4, 6, 5. I am Aradhya. Next.
Ma'am, 3, 2, 4.
Next is Aradhya. Aradhya.
3,
3, 3, 4. So this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. Clear? We will come up with the next topic and next things tomorrow. Thank you. All are clear with the today's class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, children.
Bye. Bye.